welcome. Vlog number 2. Out here with Corbin, and we're at our secret location. Oh wait, don't look right there. We're at our secret location with the charger, and I brought the sidevic out tonight. So we're gonna practice some little compositions with the Vic, and we brought the drone out. The problem is, if we do drone stuff, I wanna go do burnouts and stuff, because that's awesome. Burnouts are fucking pretty cool. Hi, Kathleen. She's sitting shoddy like she always does. Oh gosh, we're gonna blur that out. She needs some clothes on. Put some clothes on, there you go. So I got my main girl, Kathleen. She's chilling shoddy. And we got the Vic out here. Corbin's beautiful car sitting in the dirt. Well, we're gonna do some vanity shots. I'm gonna turn my lights off before my battery dies, and we're gonna make it happen. 3, 2, 1.
Share one thing, they all need money. Now let's see if they're brave enough to
I know we all saw Kathleen's tit for a second. That was pretty cool. So that was drifting the Vic, and we got some drone footage of it, and that was super cool. Just like that. Boom. Good job, buddy.
Nice.
Did it look dope?
First time, I think so.
Dude, I'm stoked. It was rougher than I remember, dude. That suspension is like, hey, no!